Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to convert TRX to USDT on Trust Wallet. So if you store your crypto in Trust Wallet and you want to swap your TRX to USDT, this is the fastest and the safest method that you can do. So first of all, you need to launch your Trust Wallet application. Over here, you need to make sure that you have some TRX available in your wallet. You will need a small amount of TRX for the network fees. Now over here, simply use the search bar on the top right hand corner of the screen. Over here, you can just simply search for TRX. Once you tap on the TRX, with the help of this section, you will be able to view your TRX balance to open the token page. Now over here, you will see the swap option. So simply tap on the option of swap. Now it is going to redirect you here on the swap page, where in the from section you will see TRX. Then in the to section, since we want to convert TRX to USDT, you just have to simply tap on the to option, and from the given list you will have to select USDT. After that, in the from section, simply enter the amount of TRX which you want to basically convert into USDT. Then it is going to show you the conversion rate, the network fees, and the slippage over here. Now once you are okay with everything, simply tap on the option of continue or the confirm option here in the bottom. Then it is going to ask you for your passcode or your face ID for the confirmation of this transaction. So you will have to confirm your transaction and wait for some time until your transaction is completed. Now once your transaction is completed over here, if you come back on the home page, you will see your total balance on the top, and if you scroll down a bit, you will see all of the assets that you have in your account, the converted USDT as well. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.